Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. This video is about the properties of algebra. Properties are the math laws that govern how our equations can work. There's 5 main properties. The first property is called the commutative property. The commutative property says that numbers are allowed to move around in the order that they're in. So A plus B would be the same as B plus A. With numbers, that looks like 3 plus 7 being the same as 7 plus 3. This only works for addition and for multiplication. So 3 times 7 could be rewritten as 7 times 3. The second property is called the associative property. The associative property has to deal with grouping. So if you have 3 numbers all being added together, you can either group the first 2 together and add those first, or you could group the second 2 together and then add those 2. This also works with multiplication. So it looks like something like 1 plus 2 plus 3. You can add 1 plus 2 first and then add on the 3, or you could add the 2 and 3 first and then add on the 1. Either way, you get the same number. This is also true for multiplication. So 2 times 3 times 5 is the same as 2 times 3 times 5. You could group the 2 and the 3 together first to get 6, and then 6 times 5 is 30. Or you could group the 3 and the 5 together first and get 15, then multiply it by 2 to also get 30. Then you have the distributive property. The distributive property is distributing a number or passing it through multiplication to other numbers. Usually you see one number in front of parentheses. So it might be like 2 times 3 plus 4. This is the same as 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. The identity property keeps our numbers the same. So 7 plus 0 is still 7. So you have the identity property of addition. With multiplication, it would be 7 times 1 gets us back to 7. And the last property we have is the property of 0. Anything that when we multiply it by 0 is equal to 0. So 4 times 0 would still be 0. Those are your properties of algebra that work with our equations. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.